Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for us to look at our number corner information. Let's see what is on our calendar for the day. If we look at our calendar, wow, we had a lot going on. Let's see what happened over the weekend. More leaves. We had 6 leaves out of the basket and 3 in the basket for Saturday. For Sunday, we had 5 leaves out of the basket and 4 in the basket. I wonder what we'll see today. More leaves? Think so? Or do you think it's something else? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! We're back to acorns again. Oh my goodness. Let's count how many acorns we have now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 acorns. Incredible. Didn't see that one coming. Wow. 10 acorns. Let's add that information to our observation grid. We've put a lot of information here. We have 10 acorns in the garden. Wow. Oops, and that should be over here in this area. What should be on our number tree? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? 10 is our big number, and we have 10 acorns and nothing else. So these are the numbers that are on our number tree. Can you think of a math equation to explain it? I think so too. Yes. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Good job, All Stars. Really good job. Let's go back up to our number corner area and add another day in school. Wow, we're adding on another day, which makes it now 37 days in school. Incredible. 37. So let's see what we can do for this information. We can put in our 37, 30 plus 7, and we know that would be 3 tens, 3 groups of 10, 3 tens, and 7 ones. These are ways to represent the number 37. Can you pause the video now and write down at least 2 ways to make the number 37? You can write math equations or draw items that equal 37. Once you're finished, start the video back up. All right, All Stars, we are back. We're going to click our pattern box. We've had a lot of pattern blocks this month. I think it's a good day to add 1 triangle. So let's do it. Why don't we add 1 triangle, 1 rhombus, 1 trapezoid, which we're going to turn, and 1 hexagon. We have quite a few over here. Quite a few shapes. Again, hexagon, trapezoid, rhombus, and hexagon. And triangle, forgive me. A lot of different shapes here. A lot of different shapes. We're going to continue with our activities. It's time for us to look at a math equation for the day. We had a great time doing these, so I think it's a good time to try another. Alia collected fall leaves. She put some in her basket and some on the wall. She has 5 leaves in all. So if we made a number tree, we know that she had 5. What if she had 2 leaves in her basket and 3 on the wall? Can you think of some math facts, math equations that we could write to explain this number tree? We could start off by saying 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then we take that turnaround fact where we turn it around and put the number in the back and the front. So then it becomes 3 plus 2 equals 5. We move on then by putting the 2 subtraction facts. When we write the subtraction facts, remember the biggest number goes in the front. So we would then put 5 minus 3 equals 2, which leaves us with one fact that we could put. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And these are the facts that would be written to explain this number tree. Fantastic job, All-Stars. Fantastic job. I want you right now to focus on counting numbers. I am going to ask you to end our number counting time today to count your numbers from the number 30, 30, all the way to the number 60. You can go to your independent work area and use the hundreds chart to help you count if you need to. Have fun. Off you go.